I think one of the main benefits of owning an Android phone is having the ability to easily automate those tedious tasks or toggles that you find yourself having to do constantly. So in order to help you guys do that, I'm going to recommend an app in this video. The app is called MacroDroid. It's on the Play Store, and once you type it in and download it, go ahead and open it up. And this is going to be the screen that you're greeted with. Now in order to start automating your phone, you're going to begin with the Add Macro button. And then this is going to lead you to a list of triggers. And what these triggers are is basically an if statement. If this happens, then go on to step 2, which is the action that you want to take. So in this example, I'm going to do, let's say I want to shake my phone in order to turn on the flashlight. So I just went to shake device, that's the trigger, and then this is the action and the result that's going to happen from shaking my device. So I just go to flashlight toggle, right here, torch line on and off. Just hit that and then hit in background because we don't want to see in the foreground. And then you can choose torch toggle. So each time you shake your device, it's going to toggle on or off depending on if it's on or off, instead of just having it only be allowed to turn it on or turn it off, because then you'd have to create 2 different triggers to do that. So we hit OK, and then we hit the check mark. And then this is step 3, which is optional. And these are basically more things that have to be occurring in order for the action to take place. So if you put nothing here, then this action will always take place when this trigger happens. But let's say I only want to turn my flashlight on by shaking my device when my phone is in airplane mode, then I would choose that. Or if the battery level is above 50%, for example. But I don't want to do any of that, so I just hit the check mark, and then you name it flashlight toggle. Hit OK. And then now we go to my list of automations, and there's flashlight toggle. So now when I shake my phone, my flashlight turns on. I think this feature is naturally in the Moto phones, and I like that so much that I wanted to have it on my phone too, and now you can with this app. So when you go back to the screen, on the left is going to be the list of macros that you have, and as you can see I already have a bunch. Just to give you guys some ideas, there's one that I have that after I disconnect from a Bluetooth device, it turns my Bluetooth off from the toggles, so I don't have to always pull down this menu and turn it off manually. Another one that I have is that when I turn my browser on, it turns auto rotate on. So I never have auto rotate on, but I want to have it on when I'm browsing the internet on my phone. So I did that, and then to turn it off, I just made another one for when I close the browser. It's going to close auto rotate as well. Another one that I made is, well, this is actually 2. One is when I open the album of my pictures, it's going to turn my brightness all the way to the max, because whenever you're showing someone a picture and you have to scramble to pull this down and then change this brightness and then change it back when you're done is annoying. But this saves you so much time with having this macro here. And then I just made another one to turn it back to the usual brightness when I close the album app. And if you're short on ideas, you can go to this template section, and then there's people that have uploaded their own ideas here, and you can just browse the local ones or the top rated or the most recent submissions. What I also like about this app is that if you want to change phones, you can just export all of your macros and then just put them on a SD card or something and then put that in the new phone, and then your macros will always be with you. So you can go pretty crazy with this thing. You can get hundreds and hundreds of macros. When you first download it, it's limited to 5, but if you want to get more, you can either buy the premium version, which is $3, or you can do some surveys and that'll get you more macros. I started with 5 and I did some surveys and I got 1 or 2 more, but then I liked it so much that I went ahead and bought the premium version anyways, just to support the developer. And that's pretty much it. There's some other automation apps like Tasker and stuff, but I just thought that was too hard for me to use. I didn't want to have to learn all the languages and stuff, but this app makes it so intuitive and easy to automate your phone and create these little things that save you both battery and time out of your day. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.